Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Will Smith, and I'm a fitness trainer with over 10 years of experience in the industry. On this channel, I'll be sharing my tips, tricks, and workouts to help you achieve your fitness goals and live a healthier lifestyle. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey to a stronger, healthier you. So it is important to keep in mind that individual dietary needs and preferences may vary, and consulting a qualified healthcare professional can provide personalized advice. Here are some tips for a healthy daily diet. Number 1. Eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet to ensure you're getting a range of important nutrients. Number 2. Limit processed foods and added sugars. Try to avoid highly processed foods and limit added sugars as much as possible, as these can contribute to health problems like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Number 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and avoid sugary drinks like soda or juice, as these can be high in calories and sugar. Number 4. Control portion sizes. Pay attention to serving sizes and try to avoid overeating, as consuming more calories than your body needs can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Number 5. Plan ahead. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to help you make healthier choices throughout the day, and try to prepare meals at home as much as possible to have more control over what you're eating. This one is bonus. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and adjust your diet accordingly. If you're feeling sluggish or bloated after a meal, it might be a sign that you need to make some changes. Remember that a healthy diet is about balance and moderation, and it's important to find an approach that works for your individual needs and preferences. Please follow for more fitness tips from us, and stay healthy, stay safe,